good morning. Well, first, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lauren. Happy that you're here. I hope you choose to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. Today, we're doing another Sunday reset because it's Sunday and that's what we do every single week. So I'm gonna film it today for you guys, take you along with me. I've already started laundry, as you can hear. I've had coffee. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a flatbread for lunch maybe. And then I'm also gonna do a little bit of meal prep. This week is Christmas week, so we're not gonna be here, but 2 days, because we're leaving on Wednesday to go to Shreveport. We're gonna celebrate Christmas with Morgan's family. I'm so excited. I love going there, so it's gonna be really fun. But I have some stuff that I need to use up, so I was thinking I'm gonna prep some breakfast sandwiches and put them in the freezer, and I'm gonna use my new vacuum sealer. I'm really excited. So we're gonna unbox that today and give it a go. Make some breakfast sandwiches for that. Maybe prep some lunches for Morgan Monday and Tuesday. I will probably go to lunch with my dad, honestly, since we're not gonna have Christmas together. So I'm not too worried about what I'm gonna pack. And then I'm gonna clean out some of the pantry and fridge and just kind of make sure we can use up or freeze, do all that stuff before we leave town so that nothing goes bad. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, just kind of based on what needs to be used. Sorry, I just realized my computer is right in the screen. I just packaged up some orders. Thank you guys so much. If you're new here, I sell meal planners, notepads. They look like this. This is my new design. They have magnets on the back. It's a 50-sheet notepad, so it'll get you through a year. I have meal planners. I have calendars. You can fill in. These are great for budgeting or to keep track of your family's activities. I have routines planner. I have dinner only meals planners. I will link it down for you down below if you're interested. But I just packaged up the weekend orders. I'm gonna send those out tomorrow. Gonna do a little cleaning, a little prepping. Welcome to the Sunday reset. Glad that you're here. Let's get into it. So today for meal prep, I'm trying something a little different. Since it's a holiday week, I'm actually going to meal prep mainly for the purpose of using up what I have and being able to freeze it and use after the holidays. So I am partnering today with Fresco. They sent me their Fresco V8 vacuum sealer and food saver. This thing is really cool. It has a really sleek contemporary design. I love the packaging. It was very easy to unbox. Also, the best part is you just plug it in. There's no assembly. There's no big, huge manual. You have to learn how to use this. All you do is plug it in, press the button, and it starts to vacuum seal. It also comes with 20 bags ready for you to use. You can preserve pretty much anything, all types of meat, fish, cheeses, berries, coffee beans. I thought today I would put it to the test and actually make a breakfast sandwich so that I can meal prep these, have them in the freezer for a week where we're unprepared. This also helped me use up some stuff before we leave town, so extra love that part of it. And especially around the holidays when we leave throughout the weekend or have long weekends, a vacuum sealer will come in such handy. We're a household of 2, so it's very often that I have to figure out how to get stuff used up or put in the freezer ASAP before it goes bad. So this vacuum sealer, I think, is gonna be my new best friend. For the breakfast sandwiches, I kept it super simple, cooked up some eggs in my little whoopie pie pan, which I got at Home Goods. It's super cool. I bake my eggs at 350 for about 8 minutes if I'm just doing one in each container like I am today. Got my English muffins out, cut those in half, and then cooked up some turkey sausage that I had in the freezer so that I can add that as well. You can add cheese, spinach, vegetables, whatever you want to these. This is just a super simple recipe using stuff that we had that needed to be used. So once my breakfast sandwiches are assembled, I grabbed one of the bags that came with the vacuum sealer, put it inside right in the middle, and then put the unclosed side of the bag right into the little feeder area. It won't let you push it in too far, so push it in as far as you can, press the button, and that's literally all you do. So I used the dry function for this since it's a dry sandwich, but if I was going to marinate something like a chicken or a fish where it had oils or some sort of lemon juice, you know, a typical marinade, I would use the moist function, and that will help anything from spilling, which is awesome. They also have just the seal function. If you just needed to close a bag, you can use the seal function for that. I will leave a link for the Fresco V8 vacuum food sealer for you down below in the description box if you'd like to check it out. I am so excited about this. A food sealer, vacuum sealer has been on my list of things to buy eventually, and I'm really happy that I got to partner with Fresco on today's video, so definitely check out the link down below. And now let's move on to the rest of the Sunday reset. After I started some laundry, I went back to the kitchen just so I could restock some of my clear containers. I love these things. Mine are a mix of Home Goods and Sam's Club. They really sell these anywhere. You can find them on Amazon as well. This is long grain white rice, one of our favorites to use in the Instant Pot. We have several recipes that we use for that. Breadcrumbs, I added some cocoa to my little container. These are super helpful. I feel like when I can see my ingredients this way, I use them more often. Let me know if you're like that too. We have been on a huge flatbread kick lately ever since we tried these Atoria's flatbreads in the Imperfect Food box. We're obsessed. I found them at Sprouts, so now we can have them all the time. I love them. Today I just added some tomato pesto, lots of spinach, some Tyson chicken, some fat-free mozzarella cheese, and then I topped it with my favorite Italian seasoning from Trader Joe's at the end. I bake my crust first for about like 5-ish minutes at 375 just until it's golden, and it turns out perfect every single time. You guys have to try this. The pizza crust is only 120 calories. So aside from laundry, changing the sheets, and meal prep, one of my Sunday reset items that I have to do in order to have a good week is to clean our bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, we're tornadoes. We rip through that bathroom in the mornings. I do not clean it every single night, although I should if I was following my Fly Lady method. It just gets out of hand. We get in a rush. You know the deal. So I make it a point every single Sunday to go through, put everything away, wipe down the counters really good, clean the mirror, change out the rug, change out the towels, and it makes my Monday morning amazing. I love walking into this bathroom when it's nice and clean, so this is like a non-negotiable for me. The bathroom has to get done. Let me know in the comments below if you have a non-negotiable for your Sunday routine. Obviously, not every Sunday is perfect. I don't get everything done on my to-do list, but I really always try to make it a point to at least get the bathroom done because it seriously makes my mornings that much better. I'm obviously spending like the first 30 minutes of my day in this bathroom putting on my makeup and my hair, so it really makes a huge difference when I have a calm space to do that in. also recently switched up the decor on my dresser just for the holidays, and I'm obsessed, you guys. This little bottle brush tree from Target Dollar Spot. I mean, really, they get me every time. I can't. This is also a cake plate from HomeGoods. I just took the lid of the cake plate off, and I'm keeping my clips and some of my most worn jewelry, perfume, deodorant right there, and it has been awesome for me. Salt Bay. All right, y'all, we're about to have dinner. Morgan is having a flatbread with marinara, mozzarella, and pepperoni. We need to use up the rest of this marinara that we opened the other day, so he's using it on pizza. I am making some pasta. We had this whole wheat elbows that I found in the pantry that probably needs to be used. So I'm gonna have that, some marinara, the leftover chicken sausage that we had from Imperfect Foods. Really love this one, spinach feta. And then the rest of the red kale that we had from that box as well. So just kind of a use it up dinner, nothing really exciting, but I think it's gonna be really good. So I just drained the pasta, it's sitting in the colander, and I'm just gonna kind of cook up the chicken sausage here really quick before I dump the pasta back in. Put it to low, but I'm gonna move it now up to about medium. Just kind of let it get a little bit browned before I add the sauce and everything else back in. Okay, y'all, so I dumped in the sauce and some water along with the kale. I'm about to dump in the noodles. I don't know why it looks so shiny. It doesn't look like that in person, I promise.
It does.
Okay, I decided I want a little more tomato flavor, so I went in with a little bit of the sun-dried tomato pesto, really good. So just like a couple of tablespoons of that. And I'm also going to add some Parmesan, the cheap and easy kind. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna stir that together. All right, y'all, this is how the dish turned out. So delicious. I'm pumped. I topped it with my favorite Trader Joe's Italian style sofrito seasoning blend. This stuff is so good. I use it all the time, and we are barely making a dent. It's a little bit spicy. There's crushed red pepper in there, some Italian herbs and seasonings, sun-dried tomatoes that are dried. They're really delicious. So we're gonna have some dinner, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit of work in my planner, move over to my new planner for 2022. I'm excited, so we're going to do that here in just a second. Also, shameless plug. Oh, I have an herb on my nail. I have the best nail girl. How freaking cute. Have you ever tried to make your bed with a cat all up in it? Let me know, because this, as you can see, is how it goes. He loves the fresh sheets, the clean clothes. He loves it all, and it's really hard to get him off. But seriously, a fresh made bed is probably the best part about Sundays, fresh clean sheets. Let me know what your favorite part of Sundays are. Alright, y'all, that is the end of today's video. We have model Hutchie looking so stunning. I always get questions about this bedding. The quilt and the larger pillows are from Target. The gray pillows are from HomeGoods, and the Snuggle Up pillow is from the Target Dollar Spot, my happy place. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope you join me for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.